Hi, it's a beautiful morning in Yaletown seawall. My name is Matin and you're watching Quay Construction. We are at Marina Side Crescent, right by the water, and we're here to take you guys through our latest completed condo renovation project. Our clients moved into their space with beautiful Marina Side dock views 10 years ago and have ever since wanted an open concept kitchen and a condo unit that's deserving of the views that they have. We worked with them over the past 2 months to make this dream come true. So without further ado, let's go upstairs, let's see how everything turned out. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more project completion content, please consider subscribing to us on YouTube. And if you'd like to see how these projects actually get built, you can follow us on Instagram and TikTok, where we share daily project progress updates. We'll link all the channels below. Thanks again for joining us today, and see you soon.